Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we will create and interpret the QTc box plot change from baseline, okay, using the ECG data in TIBCO spot file. Okay, so first we need to get the electrocardiogram data. So here we have in the CSV format. Okay, so I add up all of them. Okay, so you can see that your data is ready. So now you can start doing the visualizations by using I'm gonna use the box plot here. Okay, so this is a simple box plot. So we go here in the settings and we type as QTc change from baseline. Okay, that is the title, and the data we already took the ECG part, and appearance we will keep it as missing, and the formatting we keep it as appearance will be the default and the formatting will be the default, fonts will be the default. So in x-axis, so we will be considering visit wise. Okay, visit name. Okay, so visit name, and the y-axis we are considering QTc change from baseline. Okay, so these are the one, and the reference point we keep it only in the median, and the colors for now we can change it. If you want, you can change to red color. It's up to you how you want it. So an action so is a default, and the tooltip we keep it as a default ones, and the lesson. So on the lesson we are taking the description, title, description, data table source, and the we don't need trials, we don't need colors by, maybe we need marking information. Okay, then we go to the trials. So here is nothing, we don't change anything, and the statistic will be having the count, median, outliers. Okay, so because we are seeing the outliers as well, and here we're gonna add two horizontal lines. Okay, so that is fixed values will be 30. Okay, 30 of change baseline, and also we're gonna add one more line that is also the fixed value, that would be the 60 milliseconds. Okay, so we have added these two. Okay, so that's it for here, and you can change if you want. Like for example, if you go here and you want to bracket lines, you can change it, and goes with the same with this one as well. You can change to bracket lines. Okay, all right, so this is this, maybe I can just put tile here. Okay, so this is a change from baseline. So basically each box shows the QTc shift distribution per visit. So look for the visit where median changes increases, or subject cross 30 to 60 milliseconds, which may warrant clinical review. Okay, and this is how we create a clean QTc box plot change from baseline in Spotify. So we can change the name as QTc change. Okay, just keep it as one, and here instead of marking we keep it as none. Okay, so next we're gonna do next to visualization charts, that is will be the average QTc values, and this is also will be using the similar data. So I'm going to the line chart here. Okay, so this chart help us to monitor QTc trends over time. Okay, so we go back to the right click on properties here, and if you change here the title as QTc, so the QTc, wait, average QTc line chart. Okay, and the data will be the ECG. Okay, and appearance we keep it as default. Formatting will be the default. Fonts will be the default. And x-axis we consider, in the x-axis we consider the visit name, and the y-axis we taking the QTc, that would be average. Okay, so we don't give any colors, so line by will be the default. Colors, we don't give anything. No color grouping is applied here, so this shows us how mean QTc value at each visit across the populations. Maybe we can change to red color. Okay, so and the next we go to the labels, and actions will be the default, labels will be the default, and tooltip also will be the default. Lesson will be having the description, date limiting info, and data table source. Okay, and we'll remove the show height, trials by, line by, and this part we keep it as marking only. Then tooltip, I'm sorry, the trials will be keep it as it is, and the lines and curve will be adding one more line here, straight line, that would be the fixed value for around 500. Okay, so we're gonna keep it as 500 milliseconds, which is a common clinical threshold for QTc prolongation risk. This make it easy to flag if the group average crosses the critical point. Okay, looks for any upward trends towards 500 milliseconds. Even if the average stays below, consistent increases across the visits might need clinical the review. So we cannot cross the data more than this critical limit. Okay, the subset will be the same point, and this one will be the default ones. Okay, so maybe you can, yeah, that is fine. So we keep it as average QTc. Then we will create the dashboard. So what you can do, just copy visualization here, paste it there, and also you copy this part as well, paste it here, or you can change it to this side. Okay, like that is okay, it's fine. Maybe you can add filter as well if you want to have the data. Okay, all right, so I put as ECG dashboard. Okay, now I want to export to PDF. Export. So I go here and I keep it as ECG QTc. All right. Yeah, this is yeah, that's it for this dashboard. And yeah, this for the plot charts, I mean the box charts and line chart. I'll see you for the next classes. Thank you so much for listening.